this name is Azimi with INTERO Real Estate Services, a well-known brand. I'm super excited to present to you 1965 Ascot Drive, unit number 6. This beautiful property offers a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, completely remodeled, great location, downtown living, and on top of that, top-rated schools. What more can you ask for? Now, I talked a lot about this property. Let's take a tour. You tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful 1965 Ascot Drive, unit number 6 in Moraga. If you have any further questions regarding this gorgeous property, you can reach me via text, email, or a quick phone call. Like always on all my videos, catch you on the next one.